Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So I'm back today with a new video and we're featuring ISee hair. Big thank you to ISee hair for sponsoring this video. Now let's jump into this look. So today I have a half wig. This is a body wave. This is a body wave half wig, and that is how the wig comes in the package. I'm showing you all the free gifts. They had so many free gifts in here. Definitely put that wig cap on, and I definitely used the edge brush immediately. So this is my braid pattern. Most of my hair is braided down. I have very little leave out. I could actually go with less, especially if you have fuller hair. If your hair is thicker, you can definitely go with less leave out, but I want to make sure I have enough so that I can cover the front of the wig. So I use the combs and I basically stick it under the wig cap, and in the braids I secure the drawstring in the back, and once you cinch that, it is locked in place. So here I'm just seeing what the blending gives. I did flat iron my leave out off camera, and I do not want to put heat on it again, so I'm just making sure that it's parted the way I like, where everything is covered and blended. So now I'm running my fingers through the hair. This is in 22 inches and this is a body wave texture, but you know I'm going to curl this so it looks a little more natural. I'm using the T3 curling iron and I'm just curling everything away from my face. I did use some of the ISee hairspray on this because with body wave I feel like you should always have a good hairspray. So once I'm done curling the hair and everything cools down, I will hit it with that hairspray, but I'm just doing the same thing throughout the entire wig, curling everything away from my face. Now, I tried to refrain from putting any additional heat on my leave out, and my leave out is very short, so I didn't have to worry about it getting caught up in the curling iron. But if you're not too particular about your leave out blending, then you'll be fine. And if you're relaxed, you're good to go because that will blend really well with this texture. So everything is curled away from the face, and then the two pieces in the front, I just curl it back. You can also pin these so that you can set the curls, but I just held the curls till they cooled down in my hand, and then once I was done, I hit it with some hairspray. This hair was easy to work with. This is like an average density, so the wig is lightweight. You can put this in a ponytail. You can do multiple styles with this, and you don't have to worry about it being too heavy or those combs tugging on your braids. So once I'm done curling it, I'm going to take the comb and comb through the curls. I'm using the same method to curl the hair throughout the entire wig, and I do like the way this holds a curl, but body wave hair always holds a better curl than straight hair just because it has a texture to it. So if you can skip on the holding spray, but I suggest the holding spray if you want longevity in your curls.
It's untrue, but I've fallen for you. My mind is a mess, girl, don't know what to do. All of this pressure, feeling inside. Ain't this supposed to be painless? Then why am I so anxious? I wish we could. How do you feel?
I think it looks good here. You can use your fingers to separate it. You can use a comb to separate it. I used the comb because I wanted everything to be seamless. As I stated, this is a nice natural density wig, even if it's something you're going to wear in the hot summer heat. It's nothing too heavy. I would also suggest cutting like a few layers in here. Layers are always going to help your curls last, and it just looks better overall. I did see a whole debate on layers ruining wigs lately. Have y'all seen that video? I'm going to say I love layers in a wig, so I'm just putting some edge control on my edges, and I did put a little bit of edge control on some of my leave out, and this is what this looks like. I'm going to remove that clip and show you what the back looks like. And the last thing I'm going to do in this video is a half up, half down style. You know I love that, so we're going to end the video with that. And I did recurl the hair after throwing it up in a half up, and that's it. Let me know what you guys think about this hair. I think I've tried maybe 2 other half wigs from ISee Hair, but I will link those videos at the end of this one. This is ISee on Amazon, so be sure to check that link out in the description box. And I've also recently done a miracle knot video with their crochet, their feather crochet hair. You need to check that out because that hair, you already know ISee is going to come through with the curl patterns, but in the crochet, that's still one of my favorite looks this far. So big thank you to ISee Hair for sponsoring another video. Thank you to you guys for watching and clicking on another video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
How do you feel? Is it anything like I feel? Is it anything like I feel? I want you to stay with me. Baby, you might think it's untrue, but I've fallen for you. My mind is a mess, girl, don't know what to do. All of this pressure feeling inside. Ain't this supposed to be painless? Then why am I so anxious? I wish we could. How do you feel? Is it anything like I feel? Is it anything like I feel? Should I choose?